So we are Den Collective, and welcome to Bangersgaden, a residential complex in the Nørrebro district in the district of Copenhagen. It's a mix of both public and private housing, and as you can see, it's a home where there are many children. Now imagine you're one of the children living in this place. Who are your friends? Who do you play with? Do you play with your neighbors? Maybe you do, maybe you don't. But how do you really interact with your space? During our site visit, we identified 3 key issues. First, there's water. The community is situated in an area that is considered to be highly susceptible to flooding. Second, the community is divided into publicly and privately owned areas. Third, there's waste management. The community does separate its rubbish, but there is a mentality that shows that sorting is ugly and tedious, and connected to this is a lack of knowledge about recycling. These issues inspired our concept. We wanted to come up with a solution that builds, educates, and empowers the community around the ideals of recycling. Our solution? Wait for it. Van Koller. Van Koller is a recycling and educational hub at the heart of this community. It provides a place of shelter and warmth, and as Van Koller means water cooler, it's the perfect place for residents to catch up as they take care of their recycling needs. But let's talk about structure. The roof is made of recycled plastics, and they capture rainwater, which can be used to clean the recyclable materials. The shells are made of weatherproof wood and perfectly fitting plastic shells. And each hub, we designed 5, and it is comprised of all 5. One is for scanning. Simply scan any barcoded item, and it will direct you to the correct bin. Another area is for washing, where you can clean out any dirty items collected by the rainwater. After you've washed out the recyclables, you can drop them in specific shaped pipes, which will take the recyclables out of sight into individual storage compartments. And now this is the exciting part. This is the reward. The results of recycling, it's not immediate, but through the use of augmented reality, your smartphone becomes the medium that shows your contribution in reducing your community's carbon footprint. Finally, we have a multi-purpose space which can host workshops where arts and crafts can be done using various recyclable materials. And we envision this place to be a place where children and families can produce things like this. To nudge residents toward the right direction, we have a series of LED lamps on the floor, which turn on using Bluetooth technology. The brightness of these and the main lighting are controlled by proximity. Also, LEDs in the structure combine to create unique color schemes depending on the items being recycled. As we found out, Denmark can be very dark in the winter, so light plays an important role in creating an inviting environment. We power our installation using an underutilized technology developed by Colt International Ltd. Each green cell contains algae, which thrives in the dirty water that has been used to clean the recyclables. Like plants, algae photosynthesize and grows rapidly. The accumulated algae is used to create bioethanol, which can be used to power the installation. So not only does it produce a cleaner fuel, it upcycles the water, which gives it a new use. Finally, we believe that in order for recycling to stick, it has to start from home. With this in mind, we will provide the residents with our home solution, Stackables, which will make the hassle of sorting convenient, even in the smallest of kitchens. So that's Van Koller. It builds the community by creating a space for them to grow together. It educates the community using technology. And with this knowledge, paired with the bioreactor, it empowers the community as they're saving money on energy as well as the planet. The project will have a lot of positive impact in the area. It starts at home and the immediate community. It extends to the public through neighborhood school trips, and also through curious visitors who are part of the regular foot traffic in the nearby cemetery. Van Koller is also easily transferable to other communities, regardless of size or scale, due to its modular nature. We hope it can inspire other communities to implement similar projects in their own. Because at the end of the day, it's not about one child living in one community. It's about their friends and their friends' friends. It's our legacy and their future. Thank you.